share. Okay, are you able to see the screen?
Much better. We can hear and we can see it.
Perfect. Okay, so just to have a little refresher on what's a estate plan. So your estate plan basically handles your assets and how you provide to your loved ones upon your death. Right now, both of you have a trust-based estate plan, meaning that everything passes through outside of the probate process, except of some other things that that you might need to add, but it's likely that you won't need it following the estate plan that was drafted back in 2018.
Okay.
So the basic estate planning documents are the durable power of attorney, which basically is your financial power of attorney. So what happens in the event of incapacity? These are the people that will be able to take care of your financial decisions. Number 2, it's the medical power of attorney, which is your medical decisions. The HIPAA release, it comes on to play as well to have access to your medical information. So that way it helps your agents make informed decisions about your health and medical treatment in the event that you require it. And this document actually lasts for 2 years after you pass away. So if for some reason your health records, they needed them for whatever reason, then they could obtain them by just showing up with this document, the HIPAA release. Then the declaration of guardian. Here in Texas, although we have the durable power of attorney and medical power of attorney, sometimes the guardianship is needed. So this document helps the court decide through an easier and smoother process on who you desire to be your guardian. Then the appointment of guardian for children, the directive to physicians, which also that one in a way, it takes away the responsibility of your family in terms of helping you decide and for them to carry your wishes in the event that you have a terminal illness. It's basically you want them to keep you as comfortable as possible, or to basically have you on a ventilator in hopes something happens, like a favorable outcome happens. And last is the last will and testament. And in your plan, we also have included the trust, which you previously drafted. And those documents, we usually recommend to update them every 5 years, or also whenever a major life change happens. So right now, as you're preparing to retire in 3 to 5 years, right now it's a good time to update these documents and revisit all of these 5 years from today. And then here is also the way the probate process works. So there's probate through the will, and non-probate. So basically, since you have a trust, your house has already been put in place in the trust, so that's a non-probate asset. But all the other personal property is usually also probate, but we've drafted several documents to transfer that property into your trust, so that way your family does not have to go through the probate process for both of you. And okay, so any questions for now?
No, I'm good.
Perfect. So I also see that you want to change the appointment of guardian for your daughters.
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna stop sharing. Well, I have it right here actually.